Hello children, good morning. Welcome to DAV online classes. We are discussing a series of experimental studies. So, today we are going to discuss about one more new and interesting topic. Let's go and check it out. Today we are going to discuss about vertebrates and invertebrates. Everybody know that what is vertebrates? Vertebrates are the animals which are possessing spinal cord in their body. What is spinal cord? It is also known as backbone. So, some animals just like fish, frog, snake, bird, human being, all these organisms containing spinal cord on their body. It is known as vertebral column. Generally, we call as backbone. So, today we are going to learn about all the animal features which are possessing vertebrae. So, the animals which are containing vertebrae, they are known as vertebrates. Species, amphibians, reptiles, mammals are the examples. Let us see about species. Species means fishes. Amphibians, the animals which can live in water and land conditions. Reptiles, they can crawl on the terrestrial movements. Lizards, snakes, turtles and crocodiles are the best examples for reptiles. Aves are birds. Hen, peacock, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, crow. Mammals, those possessing mammary glands, and they will produce their babies directly and they will feed upon their own milk. These are known as mammals. Sheep, cows, goats, monkeys and human beings are the best examples for mammals. Let us see the characters of vertebrates. Here in this module, we could able to learn about the characters. Aquatic or terrestrial. Species, they will live in water. So, it is aquatic animal. They can't live on the land condition. So, it is aquatic animal. Amphibians like frogs, they live in both aquatic and terrestrial movements. Reptiles, they can't live in water. They are purely terrestrial animals. Aves, they fly high but they will land on the land. Mammals also terrestrial animals. Skin covered with. Let us see the characters with all the vertebrates. Fishes, they have scales on their body. Frog, containing some mucus layer on the body, do not cover with anyone. Snakes, having scales on the body. Birds are aves, they have feathers on the body. Mammals, the body is covered with lots of hair. Respire with. Fishes respire with gills. And amphibians, just like frog, they will breathe with skin or lungs. Terrestrial animals, aves and mammals goes with lungs. Number of chambers in heart. Species. The heart of the fish is just like a circular movement. Only two-chambered heart is present over there. Amphibians like frog, they have three-chambered heart. They have two arteriums and only one ventricle. The chamber of lizards or reptiles, they have four-chambered heart but not well developed. It is considered as three. Apes containing four-chambered heart, two arteriums and two ventricles together. And mammals are fully developed heart with good pumping of arteriums and ventricles. Oviparous or viviparous animals. Let us check it out. Species lays eggs. So, they are considered to be oviparous animals. The animals which are laying eggs are oviparous. Amphibians also lays eggs. Reptiles too. All these go with external fertilization. Birds go with internal fertilization, but they will lay eggs. They are also oviparous animals. Mammals will produce their babies directly and they will feed with their mammalian glands. So, these are viviparous animals. All female animals will go with the mating section and they will have babies and they will produce babies after a gestation period. Let us see, poikilothermic animals are hemothermic animals. The animals which do not maintain constant body temperature are called poikilothermic animals, are cold-blooded animals. Fishes, amphibians and reptiles are the examples for that. The animals which maintains constant body temperature are called hemothermic animals, are warm-blooded animals. Birds and mammals are the good examples for this. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Always keep learning, keep getting knowledge. Thank you children. We will meet with new topic in another video. Until then, signing off.